Alrighty, guys. Oh, holy cow. Camera is terrible. Alright, my voice is still terrible. Sorry. So we have some stuff going on down here. Second day of storms. We have that right there. And we have all of this. I'll try to go out here real quick, see if I can get a better image, I guess. Yeah, it's all coming either from that way or that way or that way. Oh no, it's right above me. There it is, it's right there. I should probably get off the road. It's right there. That's where it's coming from. It's right above us. Oh, look at these nice mumumbus clouds. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's all coming from that way. I had a microphone at home, but I left it there. I was going to use it, but it's not now. Ooh, that's a forming anvil cloud over there. Is that an anvil cloud? I can't see the base of it. Yeah, that's a forming anvil cloud. That's a sign of a tornado coming. Hoping to call my buddies later. Oh, lightning. Ha ha. Oh, it's a semi. I don't want to get hit by that 2,000 pound, or not, more than 2,000 pounds. Yeah. It's all like on top of us. It's coming from over there, from here, over there. That's an anvil cloud, and there's the others. I'm gonna go to screen recording and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, I'm still in the same spot. Sorry for that. I'm in the exact same spot. So as I showed you guys just a second ago, that's where that's coming from. We are right here. Well, I don't really need to circle that. So I'm looking at this. That little anvil cloud is right here. But that doesn't really tell me anything. It's either all back, it's all right here. This is all of it. And it's all going, it's either going this way, this way, this way, or this way. So I feel like those two little lines is going to help it push over on top of us. So I think right now, severe thunderstorm watch. Nice. I'm watching it. Oh, lightning. Holy cow, I wish I got that on video. Yeah, so it's all within a little while of us. It's all like 10, 14 miles out. It's gonna be a decently big storm, not the biggest storm ever though. Nothing like yesterday because I was in the middle of it and I'm on the outside of it. I'm on the outside. It's really humid, so it's also there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, as I should say, as a storm chaser. Yeah, it's starting to thunder a little bit. Hey guys, it's starting to thunder. Yeah, it's starting to thunder. You got that thing over there swelling. That thing that behind those dark clouds starting to swell. We got this anvil cloud over there. It's all this way. It's all behind my grandma's house. Let's say that. It's all behind her house. All this storm is behind her house. And we are going to go check it out. Ah, dadgummit. We're gonna go check that out. Sorry, I had the video turned the other way to where it was all sideways. But we're gonna go check out that storm. Let me call my mother, telling her I'm going to go down to the water park real quick. Guys, we have the approval to go down here. I'm not sure if this is gonna show us anything, but there's a little big of an opening It's mainly right here. It's all right here. It's all of it. So if there's going to be any lightning, it's either going to be in this cloud, that cloud, or over there. Uh-oh, we got a car coming. That's nice. Act like I'm watching a YouTube video walking down the road. I'm not paying attention to any of my surroundings. Oh my goodness. That was bright. Holy crap. Holy cow. That was pretty bright. Just hope I don't get struck by lightning. I hope the camera got that. I really do. By now, that other video should be uploaded by now. So, we're good. You can hear that thunder. The reason why lightning comes before thunder is because lightning doesn't really care about the air. It just goes screaming through it. Dude, it sounds like somebody just flew past me about 10 miles with a jet and was going supersonic. That was crazy, man. And in thunder, it has to go through all of this. It has to go through every type of wave. It has to go through all the gases that are in the atmosphere. Lightning doesn't, though. It doesn't really care. Chicos Tacos, as Gabriel Iglesias, or whatever his last name is. Bark. We're here. Oh, look at that nice shelf cloud. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I wouldn't really call it a shelf cloud. You guys can see that lightning. Look at that bird. Take a picture? Why not? Uh-oh, here comes my mom. She's coming down this road. And that's a red road. Dude, there's still thunder. There's no lightning. It's just going or whatever. Oh. We'll do one more lap after this lap and then we'll go from there. So hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome to storm season. Well, storm season's really ended, but this is just some late storms. Or this could be the beginning of the fall storm season. Because remember that one tornado we had back in 2021 with the EF4 plus that hit Bremen and Mayfield. It just obliterated everything. It took homes off of the foundation of where they were settled on. Holy cow. If I had a YouTube channel and a phone with this at that time period, oh man, it would have been the craziest thing ever. That would have probably gotten me a bunch of views, but that doesn't really matter. I'm stuck. Ooh, somebody broke some barbed wire. That's not good. Somebody broke some barbed wire. Something really to talk about. Is my phone phone stops recording just for random reasons. What is that? It's definitely a lowering. Well, it's nothing much. Oh, lightning. If my phone stops recording, I'm running over to those people. I'm gonna say, hey, because it's either for a thunderstorm warning or like a severe thunderstorm warning. No, they wouldn't do that. They would stop it if there was like a tornado watch or warning out for the area. So I run over there, tell those people that, hey, there's a tornado watch or warning. So be cautious. Be cautious. If you see anything, text me at this number. I'm not telling you guys my number. No way. I'm never gonna tell you guys my number. I would never do that. I would never tell you guys my number. It's all just circling around us. It's going from over here and just going that way. It's making a nice loop around us. Again, I saw these things at like 3 and it's 5, and that thing was just like a tiny rain cloud, and it turned into this. Look how fast storms can mature. Over 2 hours. It's getting annoying. I'm probably gonna shoot it. I feel like that would be illegal. Shooting a robin. I feel like that is illegal. I have to check that out. That bird is annoying. Choo, choo, choo. Falling down, acting like you're watching YouTube, even though you're recording. Look at this thing. It's all going this way, but slightly coming a little closer to us. If I see any rotation at all, like the slightest rotation in a wall cloud, either for a wall cloud or for a rotation, I know to stop the recording and call this little team that will send out a tornado warning, or no, a tornado watch. And they would say like, oh, it was spotted by a chaser, which would either be me or somebody else who is in that. Holy cow, that thing. Oh, more lightning. Look at that. I'll be darned. What time is it? It's 5:53 at night. Speak of bugs. Oh, that robin's gone. That's nice. If I see anything on the ground, I know to. If I see a little bit of dust and I see a funnel coming out of the sky, call the storm spotter team. Dude, that thunder is awesome. Just start. This thing is maturing. I want to go to screen recording. Holy crap! There's a tornado warning. Down here from Madison. Dude, my dad better get home. He works at Hibbs Electric in Madisonville. I'm gonna call my buddy real quick. Alrighty, guys. After a little bit of running, we'll see what this does. Alright, bye. You guys, it is directly over us. That's the beginning of it. It's directly over us. Apparently Madisonville is under a tornado warning. My dad's coming home. He works in Madisonville. He works at Hibbs Electric. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with currently. We're gonna get hit by something, whether it be big or small. We're definitely getting it. Oh, hiccups. Somebody would scare me. Ah! Oh, that gummit. Listen to that lightning. Oh, dadgummit, it's doing that super thing again. You guys, we're back. So here with the storm. Come at me, Mother Nature. You can't kill me. Here comes my dad. Yep, that's my dad. Crap. It's gonna walk. Almost hit me. Alright, see you guys here in a minute. Ready, guys, we're back. Oh, my dad carrying the groceries. Actually, it wasn't that long. So the storm's coming from this way in. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. It's very cool. Huh? Somebody's calling me this way. I'm coming. Guys, look at that. Look at all that. That's pretty cool too. That over there. Just scenery everywhere. Uh oh, it's starting to rain. I can feel it. We're run home. See how fast we can run, guys. I mean, also random slides. So that's rock and roll. I dropped my rock. Oh, I'm already tired. Dadgummit. My rocket says joy. Oh, it says joy of the Lord. That's nice. Goodness, dude. The Lord of the storm. Over there. Park me. Get that ready. That should work. Yeah, look at that. It looks like it's just a bunch of waves in the sky. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. See how this storm develops. Bye. Guys, look at this. It's starting to rain for once. The wind's starting to get a little erratic over there. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that right there. That's very cool. Oh, this is awesome. I'll talk to them in a little while. I talked to them for 2 hours yesterday. It's actually a pretty long time. Think about it. 6:35. Alright. Is that an orange? No. What's that? Why are there oranges growing on a flower tree? Alright. You guys are as tall as I am. Now, I would start getting scared if the wind there, right, if those trees were moving that way and these trees were moving this way, because that's rotation taking place. And rotation is the tornado. Now, when I say tornado, I'm not talking about massive EF5 tornado. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying, like, hey, it's probably going to be like an EF0 or a nice rope tornado. It's not going to be nothing like a massive EF5 tornado. That destroys McLean County. More Mountains clouds. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Okay, I'm back. Shall I quit the recording?